Good evening, friends. My name is Sahadev Kumar Sharma. I am from Success Mantra Educate, Jalandhar, Punjab, and today we are going to discuss about one video related to your reading. And a lot of students are facing a lot of problems in reading, and today we are going to discuss about a particular question, which say that which paragraph contains the following information. Which paragraph contains the following information? So before proceeding ahead, first we must understand that what they have written, right? Write the correct letter A to E in the box, and please remember this, what is written here. We may use the letter more than twice. Once they have written this, that you can use the letter twice, it means that definitely there will be one question which will be having the similar answers. For example, maybe A, maybe B, maybe C, maybe D. Okay, so now let us start with that, how to solve these type of questions. These type of questions are just like head match, but basically these contains that which paragraph contains the following information. I request students to go for analysis of the questions first before jumping to searching for the answers. Okay, if I start with the first paragraph, it says that examples of wildlife other than bats which do not rely on the vision to navigate by. So, dear students, there will be examples. We have to focus on this word examples. Okay, there might be more examples because they have used here the letter S. So that means in this case there will be more than one examples. What is examples? Wildlife rather than bats. So other than bats, this is our another key point which we to be considered. Okay, other than bats means there are examples in this paragraph other than the bats, how they rely on the vision to navigate. Okay, so that we have to take care of it. The first question which we analyze, that examples other than bats. Okay, so dear students, we have to focus on S or ES, right? If we are focusing on S or ES, then it is quite easy to find out. Again I repeat, if there is a single example in the paragraph, that is not my answer. If there is a single example, this is not my answer. I need to have one or more examples, like because they have given here the S. The examiner has given me the S, that means examples are more than that. Okay, let's move to the another question. The other question says, how early mammals avoided dying out. Early mammals, my dear students, again he has given S, okay, to mammals. A lot of students are getting confused about mammals, so I make it clear. Mammals are those animals, those who directly give birth to their babies, they don't use eggs. So there are billions of species around us, those who give eggs, some are giving the direct babies. If I talk about the humans, humans are also mammals. Bats are also mammals. We don't give eggs, we directly deliver our babies. So please focus on this word, the mammals. Avoided dying out means something they lost to their life. Okay, how? How means they are asking me the reason. Okay, how means there should be some reason. Okay, so dear students, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe, because I want to bring out the best videos for you. I don't think that after watching some videos of me you lost your scores. You must increase your scores. Okay, let's move further. How early mammals avoided dying out. Okay, the next question is there. It says, why bats hunt by. They are asking me the reason. They are again are asking me the reason. They use the word why. Hunt, definitely hunt, and they say in the dark. Dark, that dark means night or late evenings or whatever we say. So they are asking me the reason. So definitely in this paragraph, or out of bunch of paragraphs, there might be a paragraph which might be delivering about its reasons. Okay, next. See, dear students, if you are analyzing the questions clearly, I always say that my students, please don't struggle in your reading. Try to understand the question. If we try to understand the question, then it's quite easy to find out the answers. Okay, this is how I analyze, how my students analyze, and they are getting very good marks in their reading modules. Okay, next is how a particular discovery. Dear students, again they have given a particular discovery. A particular discovery. They use the word a. A means the answer is only one. So we have to focus on this word a. A particular discovery has helped our understanding of bats. Okay, a particular study. Now question is this, that paragraph will have only a single example, a single particular discovery. There will not be more than 2 or 3 discoveries. No, then answer is not there. If the paragraph says about the single discovery, then we can find out the answer is there. Okay, the last one is early military uses. So our keyword here is military uses. Do you think that they will have the related word related to military? No. They may say World War One, they may say World War Two, they say may Hiroshima, Nagasaki, they may say any of the world level wars which we have faced. Okay. So the word war, World War One, World War Two, like this, something of military use. So there are two uses. Either is used by the public society, simple society, or by the military. So these early military uses of echolocations. If we are doing the question, if we are understanding the question, then it is very easy to find out the answers. So again, I repeat before I shut down this, and you may find that there are a lot of I buttons are coming on your this video, so that you can get your best. Okay, I'll make one more good video for you for your reading. So first paragraph will talk about examples, more than one. They will talk about examples. Okay, the next is early mammals. They also talk more than once. And third is reason why bats hunt in the dark. Why bats, they talk about a region. How particular discovery, they talk about the singular. And last one is the military use. Okay, if we are keeping these 5 things in mind and we start reading the paragraph, there is no doubt that we get all the 5 answers clearly. So my dear students, before you are jumping to the reading, the final suggestion in this video, I would like to say that please understand the question first. Okay, I don't know what the teachers say. People say that there are some tricks or something to like that, and there is some flukes. No, I particularly believe that if my students are understanding the question, then it is very easy for them to find out the answers. Because all those questions, whether in the life, if we have the right answer, we are going to find the right. If we have the right question, definitely we are going to find the right answer. And for God's sake, do not hunt for the answers. Try to understand the text. You all will get good marks. This is how we do it. This is how we, particularly in these type of questions, where we find out which paragraph contains the information. Thank you so much for watching video. Again, I request, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe so that I serve you the best. Take care of you. Bye bye.